Hi, I'm Roland Hamilton with Optoma. This is a Creative Touch interactive display. I'm going to take just a minute and show you 5 of its awesome features. While you can connect a whole plethora of devices to the panels, Mac, PC, Chrome, Linux operating system, basically you can connect any PC you want, it has features a built-in Android operating system. So out of the box, give the panel power and internet, and it's basically a giant Android tablet. Super easy to use, has lots of the apps you'd expect. So number one, the Android operating system is fantastic. Second thing I want to show you is the Note application. It's basically our digital whiteboard. You can customize the background colors, pen colors, lots of different pen tools. We'll get into some more of the tools in a second. Backgrounds that are specific to certain subjects. Here we have a music background. Here's a soccer field. You can also import your own custom backgrounds. Here are some of the 3D shape tools. Here I've used a couple of the 2D shape tools to make an XY axis. And we have some functions written up here. Before I demonstrate the next feature, I want to also show you one thing that's really great about the digital whiteboard is the palm erase. You just put your palm on the board and it gives you an eraser. It's quite easy to erase. The third feature I want to show you of the interactive panels is called AirShare. It's basically an audience feedback mechanism. It lets the kids in the class select answers to quizzes, vote, send messages to the teacher, all sorts of things. Here we have, as I said, we have several different functions written up here. Let's draw a graph of one of those functions. It's not perfect, but it approximately represents one of these. So say this were a quiz that the kids in the class from their mobile device can select the right answer. I'm going to select B as the right answer, y equals sine x. That is in error because I need to start the voting first. Let's try that again. So we're going to do the quiz. I'm going to enter my answer B, y equals sine x. It shows here on screen that one person, Roland, has voted. I'm going to click finish, and it gives us our results. Showed who answered how, the breakdown, and if we select the correct answer, it shows the percentage of the class that got the right answer, including who the kids are, who got it wrong, and the teacher can take it from there and correct their methods essentially and get the underperforming kids up to par. The fourth feature I want to show you is how you can share from mobile devices, so from iOS, basically from iPhones, iPads, as well as from PC, Mac, Chromebook. We can share our screen, so we can collaborate, share content, etc. Here I am sharing my screen. I'm going to go ahead and I've got the Google Art Store application, and you can see on screen as I swipe through this, it's being cast to our Creative Touch display in real time. And right now I'm only sharing from one device. However, you can share from up to 4 devices at once, and the Creative Touch panel will display a 2x2 quad array of those shared pieces of content on screen. The last and final feature of the Creative Touch panels I want to share with you is the cloud drive access to push and pull our files to and from the device. To make all this really easy to actually implement, we've included access to Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive natively. This works right out of the box. You can also install Dropbox and a couple other of these popular cloud sharing applications. Back to the webinar. Thank you for your time.